Hello students, welcome to the maths class of 7th standard. Today let us solve the third question of the exercise 1.1, page number 4. Look at the question. At Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on this day? Students, let us try to understand the question. At Srinagar, on Monday, the temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius. And next day, on Tuesday, it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius. Dropped means decreased. The temperature decreased by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday compared to the temperature on Monday. The question is, what was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? To find out the temperature on Tuesday, we have to minus 2 degrees Celsius from minus 5 degrees Celsius, because on Tuesday 2 degrees Celsius temperature was decreased. Next, on Wednesday it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. Rose means increased. The temperature increased on Wednesday by 4 degrees Celsius compared to the temperature on Tuesday. The question is, what was the temperature on this day? This day means Wednesday. To find out the temperature on Wednesday, we have to add 4 degrees Celsius to the temperature on Tuesday, because on Wednesday the temperature increased by 4 degrees Celsius. Let us continue the sum. First statement, temperature on Monday is equal to minus 5 degrees Celsius. Next, in the question given that temperature dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. On Tuesday, the temperature decreased by 2 degrees Celsius. Next, therefore, temperature on Tuesday. To find out the temperature on Tuesday, we have to minus the dropped temperature from the temperature on Monday. Therefore, temperature on Monday minus temperature dropped on Tuesday. Temperature on Monday is equal to minus 5 degrees Celsius minus temperature dropped on Tuesday. Temperature dropped on Tuesday by 2 degrees Celsius. 2 degrees Celsius. Observe the numbers. Now this operation is in subtraction. To continue the sum, according to the subtraction of integers, we have to change the operation from subtraction to addition. So let us change the operation. Write the first number as it is, minus 5 degrees Celsius. Change the operation sign from subtraction to addition. So change the minus sign into plus sign. Change the sign of the second number. So plus 2 becomes minus 2. Minus 2 degrees Celsius. After changing the operation, observe the numbers. Both the numbers are negative numbers. Both the numbers got same sign. So according to the addition of integers, we have to add their absolute values and we have to keep the same sign in the answer. So the absolute value of minus 5 is 5. The absolute value of minus 2 is 2. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Keep the same sign in the answer, that is minus. So the answer is minus 7 degrees Celsius. Therefore, the temperature on Tuesday is equal to minus 7 degrees Celsius. Now let us find out the answer of the last question. What was the temperature on this day? This day means Wednesday. Temperature on Tuesday we already found, it is minus 7 degrees Celsius. In the question given that temperature rose by 4 degrees Celsius on Wednesday. On Wednesday, the temperature increased by 4 degrees Celsius. Therefore, temperature on Wednesday. To find out the temperature on Wednesday, we have to add the increased temperature 4 degrees Celsius to the temperature on Tuesday minus 7 degrees Celsius. Now let us write the answer. Temperature on Tuesday plus temperature rose on Wednesday. Temperature on Tuesday minus 7 degrees Celsius is equal to minus 7 degrees Celsius plus temperature rose on Wednesday 4 degrees Celsius plus 4 degrees Celsius. Now we have to add these numbers. Observe the numbers. The first number is negative number and the second number is positive number. According to the addition of integers, if the numbers got different signs, we cannot add. Here both the numbers got different signs, so we cannot add. We can subtract or minus. Minus the smaller absolute value from the greater absolute value. Here the smaller absolute value is 4 and the greater absolute value is 7. So 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. The answer gets the sign of the number which has greater absolute value. The number which has greater absolute value is minus 7. So the answer gets minus sign. The answer is minus 3 degrees Celsius. Therefore, temperature on Wednesday is equal to minus 3 degrees Celsius. Dear students, I hope that you have learned to solve this problem. Complete the given notes in your maths notes book neatly and send the photos to the concerned teachers. Also, remember to practice the sum in your rub book. Thank you.